naman ang daan. Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyosan ba ako dinadala? Bawat ngiti
I promise to listen even I think I'm right, and to understand and accept defeat minsan-minsan. I promise to love you even when you take all the blankets, the laugh with you, even your jokes are corny.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
After a long wait and countless prayers, Mahal, you are the answer to my prayers. Today, I vow to cherish and honor you all the days of my life. I can't promise that I'll always be the perfect wife, but I promise to love you more deeply every day.
Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay binubunyag na, sa'yo lang magpapangkin, di palalampasin o kasadang kumawala.
Di mawawala.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ako'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Marriage is sacred bond, a covenant of love and commitment. Your love is a reflection of God's love. May your bond grow stronger each day, guided in respect, trust,